Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and as usual with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are in New Hope in Trelawney and we are on a work site. So this work site is for Ricky, the visually impaired gentleman. Would have been here before, you know, to dig the foundation and so on, and today we are here to do the casting. So just stay with us. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be notified. All right, so today we are hoping to get some work underway, you know, just so we can finish this section of it and move on to the other section. You know, when we do these work projects, sometimes it is time consuming, but we are thanking God, you know, that we are able to do what we are able to do. And mostly this time around it's very rainy, so we are trying to do our best. It's about 9:30 thereabout at the moment, and we are, you know, on the work site hoping to do as much as we can before the rain come. All right, today is Mother's Day, and I know by the time we post this video, you know, Mother's Day would have passed, but you know, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, all the ladies. Happy Mother's Day, and just wishing for you a wonderful and beautiful day.
Good. Okay, now. Put your heart good on top, be laughing, boy. Look here. You know, oh yeah.
So I did tell you where the pipe, the Fred? Never tell we.
Boss ya kan? Ya tak. Yo, back to you know. So is the money. Guess what money? Ini gambar. Iya, mesti guess what tu kami. Dah full get bra. Nak kali. Kali get kan? Nak kali get. Kali gua walk with you man. 40 grand. And buy me a pack of water. Oh man wah.
Ada kawan.
Lai man wah. They want to get the contract for him check on the boy. Just tell me if you go man.
Amin oh, you walk one man. Oh, yeah.
Think get money at the boss man come kill me.
Go.
Kill for. They want to use more money more than that.
Huh?
It's 3 more, 0. That's why I see it. Is it back out the ear? Yeah, man. I was here. Yeah, so no. Stick on it so far.
Ako kilo mo ya tinggal yung sendian ko de. Ang wala pang ko ba yung putan sa pera.
Yang baru ini dia ni.
Pandi wala sa tiet man bela.
Oh, me go fiambar, si me di fiambar me kan ada mari pak.
We had Lippy. The part cover.
Nobody is up on the right.
Come on, nobody.
And that's it just a call?
And I'm take out like that. The bar.
Where am I, boy?
It's going to open today now go work out. No more man down here.
If you want to lift up a little stone, my youth, I want to tell you something, man.
Fred, I drop you know.
All right, easy, whatever. How are you, right?
Come now, leave.
Ain't done with you, man. Too strong,
Big man.
Go fire.
Boy, man.
I know that.
Let's have a car, man.
Fire a shot, man. Alright.
Step
Well, it's hot, boss.
Step off a little piece. Step off a little piece. Yeah, good.
Yeah, dude.
My friend help you know.
No, see, friend,
Over. No trouble him.
Yeah, very much here.
Mamsie alright over this, sir?
Yeah, very much.
Mamsie over there? Mamsie alright, sir?
Yeah, that's a broke with.
That's a real.
Yeah, that's a broke with.
Alright. Mamsie.
Yeah, tell him today that's a broke with.
That's the reward.
I know that. You know what happened.
And the boy know that.
So when you live in a country, you're dead, man. A fight, man, I want to fight with you, and show you impression of how they agree in the pan. When them live, there's a pay war. Living.
When I was a
Him and Roger. You don't know too? Oh,
when I was a go
in son. Along, I'm not going
Let's not be good now. Let's not be fair.
Full cook banking cat down on our gully.
I want his son name, sir. Ethan. Must have any come to the grave around this. That's in front of the turn. No, sir. Right at Compay House. Right. It's my brownie house, not I believe. It's about 2 surrounding house near Kai. Demon, close him.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. I don't make it all boys.
Yeah, so what's that mean?
Alright. Yeah, yeah. There's a fuck man to sit up.
You see that?
Chest with him and him.
No, ain't about shoot at them now run from them. You run from them over Manchester.
Get him from the bottom side, back of your phone.
True.
See him around, yeah. Up and then I can't find it.
That's it, yeah, but in there. How the load?
Alright, see bucket there, man.
Come on, load. Papa, come on.
Then Papa, man.
I want to load on your carry. Give me this. You carry?
No, wait. Give me.
Empty bucket then. One turn up there, the bucket.
Bucket them asleep.
wicked, man. Tell her if you do no boy, if you take your head big off in it. I hear. You lot more car and throw you out for the line out there, so. Alright, stand there, boy. You both the man for you enough car. Yeah, man. Yeah. I want Fred, you know, man.
Fred that, you know.
Robert, I'm going to come out of private, so I'll do it. You show what they every time we reach the fish, though.
Man, if you never
And I turn it up in and do everything there, man. Hungry?
Back you was in I drum.
Marcel, let's switch post. You switch post, you did over this a while ago when you reach over here, so.
Tired over there. Let's take the ninja then.
The ninja.
I see your card this. Alright, you can see it.
Eh? Idi amin buah kau nak?
Oh. That one, go down, you know? Go down, yeah.
Freddie, look like you can block up today, man.
Eh?
Look like you can block up everything today.
Yeah, man, I go run a certain amount, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Fred, that card in a gun. Yeah, man, I'm level it. Oh, maybe to me move out.
Do a boy, man.
Anyway, we can't block. You can put some funny surface. I think we could want now you know, say that going on, you're not fixing. I mean, I run the thing, you know, much more about. Okay, go on for you. Right, this one. Intimidated, I mean, I just up our adjustment. Jai, man. Yeah. Jai. Jai. Yeah. Jai. Oh, in the fire now? One day, I tell you. You should put some bowlers or some bars. Yeah, man. Get out, man. Just sprinkle goat on bowl.
Together.
Roses. See them, see them put one, see them put some, yeah? See them, something there? Yeah, we are using. Lord Jesus. Yeah, what's something there, Mr. Lord God. You love what Jamaica? What do you do?
Fred, you know, say Ricky carry up most of them black men.
How are you telling me this? Eh?
Ricky say make something and draw them up.
Really? Very easy, you know? Yeah, just make it dry this one, then you crank it. Very not easy, do you know? Necessary.
Blind painter. Francis Dino. I try and die.
So you know live over Sergeant? Yeah, man. Yeah?
Next year, if we cool, no matter what.
We change this. Yeah, man. What is it?
No?
Come with you.
White House, White House. White House,
Nah, man. Sharky. Oh, yeah. Put on a Sharky.
You come back and say, you come back. Come over here.
the place where my father is in New York, but next door. You have to show me. I don't have that money, you have to show me say there. You go to have work, you have to hold me.
But you can't go and mix up it. I'll say you can't take it. So then couldn't show you run that way.
What's the one I'm back to get from?
One from the I'm so bad.
No flood, no flood.
No flood.
No flood.
Thank you.
Yeah, I give the food that I could be food. I give them money to do stuff like that. You are afraid that you go.
Patrick. Oh man, I thought about Patrick. Fred, where want to put this one? I last one, right? Where? One more put this one. Steel. Jason. Jason. That's a steel.
Yes, this one.
Yeah, I remember that.
Step up your top.
No man, you want to put one in the corner.
Steel. You ain't gonna go.
One man already came out of here doing it, me dig it down and pack it around and you pay me if you can.
You first
Don't put up that side out of mine. Don't put up and put on the other side. Some big man.
Which one are you brother ask for? Carville or which one?
I can't be mad.
Yeah.
You want to do better than I like it. That's true. That's true.
Yeah, one.
Fred, you want one black thing? Make a step up this one.
No, I'm not going to step up.
Miss you one lady.
Yeah, what do you?
Where do you want this one?
That's one.
Drop the one.
Look at me, car.
It's so good enough.
Miss Pong.
It brings community together and it make it people feel like they're belonging, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes when you do something like this, and I'm telling you, it's one of the #1 thing in America right now. When people can talk and speak their mind.
Yeah. So what is your name? What is your name?
They call me Nelson Mandela in New York.
Okay.
But
Because you don't live here.
I don't live here.
Right. But I observed you today. You came on this site and you just started taking up some stone and helping out.
I promise my brethren, Ricky, we always work together before I leave here.
Yes.
So I heard that he's doing this. I was down there and he told me, I'm going to do this. So from 9 o'clock I'm supposed to be here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your clock stop work.
Oh man, I was down my house. Every move make somebody call me.
Yeah. Well, we're thankful that you're here.
Yes.
Yes, man. I really admire that. You just walk up and you just started working right away.
You plant and link up there, sir.
Oh, that's his cup. He came with a cup.
That's the syrup in the water.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mandela.
That's what it is, you know.
Yes, man.
Gotta help one another, but
Absolutely.
Fred, look at. You lick on the right and the right.
Tiny man. What's my bag, man?
Eh?
What's my cement bag?
I have to ask where you are, man.
Come out, you know?
Eh?
You can't come out.
Just tell it quill.
Correct, now if I me, I can't see all the pack.
Pack the same thing.
I go and toad for him. I'm not the one. Wait up.
Come on, show you about this.
Then you should go to Canada. I think they do more blogging in Canada. Canada come like it's the center of blogging.
Oh, yeah?
Jamaica.
Oh, Lord, Jamaica need us at this moment. Jamaica need us now.
So much something happening
Yes.
in Canada with the people, Jamaican people.
Oh,
All over anyway.
yeah.
Pure water.
Yes, man.
They want no rum, they want food. Look how we come out, come out, sit on minutes in a brother fight. This is we're back out and we don't know what
Oh, give man them food little time for digest.
What kind of time for digest?
Cause see that drinks me I drink a while ago, me bend down I do that, me almost vomit it out.
I tell you, man, you're bad too.
Your bats, yes, your grinder now work properly. And your rice already grinded and it's still now.
You're getting on you.
The rice still now help him.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, bind it right, yeah.
I'll go and go and
A long piece of a leg back, you try it, that's alright.
What's your foot? What's your foot? Anything else?
You know, say bad mind, you know.
When they come out the foundation, it's
I like how me I have good friend. We move out that way.
see a long line. First, see a long line out.
Come on, come back. Don't take it now. Don't take it.
You know how to tell me. But you're jealous, you're all gambler.
Say my take less. And that gun do.
Come. When we look at our house, one rubber jump come through the door. I want man to run for somebody, you know. I come right back door.
Total Fred.
Okay, guys, so just showing you what we would have accomplished since morning. So we managed to cast it. The men did an excellent job, casting and so on. And some persons just walked onto the site and started to assist. For that, we are immensely grateful. Because, that's how we have to try and get the work done, each of us helping each other. So just showing you the foundation. It's pretty close to completion. And thank God we had a beautiful day because it did not rain. It's set up as if it's about to, but at least, would have accomplished the task. So we're thanking God for that. We're thanking you also for your continued support. Thank you so much for always watching, for always supporting. Thanks to all our donors who are always donating to the channel and supporting the work that we do. And I have to say thanks to the gentlemen who have been here from morning, doing their very best to get the work done. All right, so this is where we end the video for today. So hopefully another day we can come and we can complete, start to do the blocking up of the foundation. All right, and so we'll see you then. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, and bye bye.
No vehicle are run. Right?